Are criminal and civil background checks truly different? Imagine walking into a job interview or trying to rent a new apartment. Do you know what kind of background check might be run on you? It's a good question because not all background checks are the same. Today, we're going to explore whether criminal and civil background checks are truly different and why that matters for your employment and reentry journey. Criminal background checks look at your history with crimes that the government has prosecuted. They show arrests, charges, convictions, and sometimes ongoing investigations related to crimes like theft or assault. These checks are used by employers to see if someone might pose a safety risk or has a record that could impact their work. The government has to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt in criminal cases, which is a high standard. If someone is convicted, they might face fines, probation, or even jail time. Civil background checks are quite different. They focus on legal disputes between private parties. These include lawsuits over money, property, or personal injury. Civil cases are started by the person or entity claiming to be wronged, not the government. They often end with a financial settlement or judgment, not jail time. The proof needed in civil cases is lower, so someone can be found liable even if they were not criminally convicted for the same issue. Civil checks reveal things like bankruptcies, eviction lawsuits, or unpaid debts. For people reentering society after incarceration, understanding these differences is very helpful. Employers and landlords may look at both types of checks. A criminal record might show past convictions that could affect a job or housing. Civil records might reveal unpaid debts or legal disputes that impact credit or stability. Civil records can also show financial issues that might not come up in criminal checks. Knowing what each check covers helps returning citizens prepare. They can address any civil legal matters beforehand and explain any criminal history honestly. Mental health and reentry programs can guide individuals on how to understand their reports and what to do if they see something surprising. In short, criminal background checks reveal government-prosecuted crimes that could lead to jail. Civil background checks show private legal issues often related to money or property. Both are different tools that help employers and landlords make decisions. Being aware of these differences can make your transition smoother and more confident.